Well, we're inside Northern California, our home, and I just wanted to take this kind of sample shot indoors. This is white lighting, right? That's a white light. And you can kind of get a hint at maybe what I'm getting at over there. We're going to walk outside. There's a lot of fires in California, you know, and we're going to walk outside and take a peek at what the sky looks like and see if this camera picks it up. Let's go. You definitely can't pick up the smell, but oh boy, it smells of smoke out here. I don't know if you can pick up the lighting. I don't know if it shows as yellow, but it is so yellow out here. No fires right nearby. We're safe. But man, is it smoky and yellow. Maybe this is a better angle on how much smoke and haze there is. See the trees on that hill? It's not too often you want to look straight at the sun, but you can look straight at the sun now.